In a historic first for the state school-level sports, the 69 National School Games Yogasana Under-17 Voice Championship officially commenced on Saturday at the Netaji Subhash Regional Coaching Center in Agartala. CM Dr. Manik Saha inaugurated the prestigious competition by lighting the ceremonial lamp. He was accompanied by Minister Tinku Roy and other senior officials. The event is being organized by the Tripura School Sports Board under the auspices of the School Games Federation of India. This competition marks a significant milestone as it is the first time Tripura is hosting a national-level yoga championship specifically at the school level. Athletes and contingents from across various states, union territories and units have arrived in the capital to compete. Notably, the team from Himachal Pradesh was among the first to arrive, with many others joining by Friday evening. The championship will run from January 3rd to January 6, 2026 at the NSRCC Weightlifting and Yoga Hall. The young athletes will showcase their skills in various disciplines, including traditional yoga, artistic yoga, and rhythmic yoga. During the inauguration, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha highlighted that hosting such national events reflects Tripura's growing infrastructure and commitment to the Ek Tripura, Shrestha Tripura.
Encompassing a wide range of styles, different types of styles and approaches. There is no specific styles that you have to follow. In different way, styles also changes. It is recognized not only for its physical benefits like improved flexibility. Usually common people like us, what do you think, then go for your physical flexibility, physical fitness like that. But as I have already mentioned, it is yoga, not biog. It is for connection. Your mind, your intellect, your body, soul, it should be connected through this yoga. Style may be different, but these are should be connected. So you have to have this flexibility, increase of the flexibility as well as strength. But for your mind, mental advantage such as stress reduction. You know, we are all under stress. Everybody is under stress. Somebody are for practicing or to compete for having good result in exam, or like us, we are also in stress. You know, so for that, if you do yoga, you will have less these things, stress and enhanced well-being. You will be good in all aspects and balanced lifestyle. Yogasana is not merely a competitive event. Here you have come for competition, but it is a science actually, if I say, rather it is a science and life rooted in our ancient Indian tradition. Dear participants, as you participate in this prestigious 69th edition, remember that Yogasana is a journey of self-discipline and self-control. Very important for you, all of you. Unlike many other sports, it is not like other sports. Yogasana teaches us to compete with ourselves first to improve our posture, stability and breathing and concentration. Even we have seen, it is already proved that person who does yoga every day is good in study also. So winning medals is not important, but mastering your mind, respecting your opponents and maintaining grace under pressure are the true victories in Yogasana. I firmly believe that such Yogasana event will play an inspiring and positive role in motivating our future generations. The National School Games is an important platform for the development of emerging sports talent across various events. The boys and girls of our state have been setting remarkable records in different events in the National School Games and Khelo India. I congratulate all of you. It is also a great pleasure to let you know that Tripura State School team bag laurels every year in yoga. Our Honorable Minister already had mentioned, from the competition of School Games Federation of India. Sports are, because I was very much attached with the sports. My friend is here, Tapan Bhattacharya, he knows. We all together we had practices, this long distance run and all. Our state is home to many talented athletes. Through such national level sporting events, new talents will continue to emerge in the field of sports. And so these sports are absolutely essential for the nation as well as for the society as well as for our state. Through sports, children develop discipline, perseverance, responsibility, duty, and patriotism. Tripura School Sports Board under Youth Affairs and Sports Development organize from block to state level school sports competition among the boys and girls of under 14, 17 and 19 years. A state yoga institute at Netaji Subhash Regional Coaching Center is running with the regular yoga activities where nearly about 200 the students they are coming here and they get the practice of this yoga practice regularly. Moreover, Tripura Sports School, Badargarh and Panishagar are also running with the Yogasana activities. Let us all remember that Yogasana is India's gift to the world, and through platforms like School Games Federation of India, we are ensuring that this gift continues to shine brightly through our youth. Events like this play a crucial role in discovering new talent. I hope that this gathering of your young talents from across the country will continue to bring glory of our nation and also to our state on the world Yogasana stage. I hope that with everyone's sincere participation and sense of responsibility, this event will become a grand success. With these words, I once again welcome you all to 69th edition of School Games Federation of India Yogasana Sports Events and wish the event a grand success. Above all, I must say that wish you a happy and prosperous New Year 2026. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Vande Mataram.
The State School Sports Board and the Sports Department have collaborated to ensure world-class facilities for the visiting athletes, including transportation from the MBB Airport and Agartala Railway Station to their accommodations. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.